ability to make grocery list and evaluate the cost of the items without needing to go anywhere. So we are doing what? We are not only making the list of the items that we need, but also we are evaluating the cost of each item and the total cost as per the store that in which it is available. So to get the grocery items either delivered or ready to take from the grocery, it is on our wish. I mean, if you want to take the grocery by going there, or we want to get it delivered, is on us. It's our choice. After that, to save the time of the customer and to reduce chaos and crowd in the grocery, it is a good solution. And this also reduces the interaction between people, which will reduce chances of contraction of communicable disease like COVID-19. So what features do we have in this app? So we have various easy to understand and easy to use interfaces. Like it is the whole interface is based on very common conventions like hamburger options, to go any of the options like login or orders, previous orders, settings, favorite products, messages, etc. After that, there are detailed product descriptions which we can customize as per our needs. Then easy registration and login procedure. We just have to enter our name, our email address, our phone number, and password. After that, we have order summary, which is totally customizable. Uh, we can customize it. We can reuse it. We can save it for further use, etc. Now, the last one is shipping options. We have two shipping options. We can get it delivered at our home address or office address, or we can also go to the store to take the grocery items. This is the feature. These are the features of the applications. Now, future goals related to this app. What we can do in future, we can uh, use the data of all the stores available in a local area, and then mm, just make the list of the items and compare the cost as per each grocery or shop, and whichever cost is the minimum, we can choose to take our items from that store only. Apart from this, we can increase the number of stores, like not just in our area nearby our home or office, but area like depending on the pin code or city, like this. And the automatic comparison of the product and other features like predicting the list items, etc. And I cannot show the interfaces. Can I send this PDF file to someone who can share it? We'll
Yeah,
be
you
able
should.
to see the interface.
You can share it with Shivangi.
Okay, let me see.
But anyway, you finish and then you can share
Yes,
it.
yes. These are the main features of the app, and that's all I wanted to tell. I just want to show the interfaces of the app so that I can explain it.
Okay. So did you develop the app or is it at
No,
only
I
earlier
just
stage?
developed the interfaces of the app.
Okay. So how much time you would take to develop actual real app?
Um, it can take a week, but actually the thing is, I don't know properly how to make the application. I know very basic things, not complete.
So then
So
you should collaborate with someone who knows
yes,
these
sir.
applications,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes,
Because
sir.
you are talking about all these groceries and price. You see, price
Yes,
are
sir.
very dynamic and from shop to
Yes,
shop
but
it
we can,
varies.
we can coordinate with the stores and we can manage the prices according to that. So that is not difficult, but application is something that I don't know. So that's the
How
problem.
can you coordinate if prices are very much varying between shops, and also there are so many discounts or offers are giving time to time. Some offers will be very like for limited time. Then again
So
it
if
will
I
be,
have
yeah. how to
Yes, sir.
actually really coordinate that.
Yes, sir. We have to coordinate with the stores, just like Zomato coordinates with all the restaurants. It not only see whether the food is available, but also the cost of the food. So everything is coordinated with the help of Zomato. The same
So
app,
what,
the app is same.
yeah, what is your requirement? Like, how much budget are you needing for this to develop this app?
I don't have any idea of budget, but I can look up to it.
Anyway, I think that's fine. You can maybe collaborate with someone who can really channelize your idea into okay real life.
Okay, okay,
Like
Twinkle,
your yeah.
sir, 1 minute, sir. Just Twinkle, I wanted to know that the presentation was very good and the idea is also very good. But how it will compete with the existing, the marketing hubs or already existing marketing hubs, and there are many apps are also available. So how your app, this particular app, is going to overcome or compete with the already existing, like which provide almost all the things, not even from the locality, but also from all over India. And also, second thing is that most of us, like if we talk about we people, like at least myself, I go to the nearby shop to buy grocery and other things. I usually get things from there. So how do collaborate with those shopkeepers which are not doing for a very large scale? So that will be also an issue. And how do you, what would you say about these two observations?
Okay, so as we know, the pandemic has taken us 5 years ahead in time in terms of digitization. And we have
Mhm.
all felt that what is our need is to get digitized. And even government is working on this. They are trying to make the reach of network in remote and far villages of India. And we all need to get digitized. This is true. We have seen this.
Yeah.
So obviously, a lot of efforts will take. But just like GST has been applied, we can also apply this online stores to be available online, and then we can coordinate with them. And then the answer to the first question is that in this present era, there are already so many options available and such apps available.
Mhm.
So for that, we can make a group of uh, shops, and then we can present our best deals so as to make it more lucrative, more economical, and we know that people, they want to do things uh, as without putting the minimal effort. I mean, people want to do things without putting minimal effects at very comfortable space.
Yeah,
So we
actually,
can.
for 1 minute,
Yeah,
for many people, that price does not matter much because suppose 1 rupee, 2 rupee, even 5 rupees difference does not matter much. But what matters is actually comfort and ease of getting all those things. So
Yes.
since all things or all other apps and marketing hubs are already there, so one you have to be
sir,
very
what
clear.
I
I
just wanted to interrupt here.
Yes.
Hello.
Uh-huh.
Sir, already the Amazon and Big Basket and other apps
exactly.
and many other apps are there. But I like this concept because they don't cater to the second tier, third tier cities. And
Mhm.
also, they don't include the local shopkeeper. Okay.
Exactly. So
So,
they're eliminating the
so,
competition in the market.
so I totally like this idea because this is a Zomato-like idea for shopkeepers. So
Mhm.
definitely a second tier, third tier city, and even if this is a local app, not national app, but
Yeah.
even if it enriches the regional shopkeepers, we should definitely back up this
Yeah,
idea.
this is I wanted to indicate that basically the local shopkeepers, which are not do not have bigger shops and system, but they have to be also there because we generally go to them ultimately because it is easy to go to them. And if they can be included and they can be combined with this app, then this will be more.
Yeah, I think that's fine. We appreciate her idea. And maybe if she can come up with some mini pilot, okay,
Yeah,
project, considering say few shops within the Varanasi region, and develop the app and show that okay, this is our proof of concept. Then we can take it to next level, I think,
Yes.
isn't it? Yeah, thank you, Twinkle. I think I seriously suggest you to collaborate with someone who can channelize your idea into okay, a real app.
Yes.
Hello, I just want to ask one question.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, Twinkle. So you are
Yes.
developing just a mobile app or web application also?
So right now I've thought of just mobile app, but we can
Mobile
Okay.
do this later. Web application can
You
be
should also think about web application because the concept will be same, but you can produce through two channels, through mobile and
Yes.
through computer also.
Platform will be different.
Yeah, and the second thing is, see, the application will not change for global level and for local level. Suppose you will develop a concept, so the whole India, like in whole India, all shopkeeper can register through the same API. Okay, so these services are location-based services. So if I am in Varanasi, so I can see only, or I will be interested only for the shops those are in Varanasi or near to me, and application will not change. And the second thing is, you cannot collaborate, or you cannot go to shopkeepers to register their products. Means you cannot register all the products by yourself. You have to develop some concept so that you can motivate the shopkeepers. They will register themselves for their profit, like a Zomato or Amazon. See, and Amazon also, they never restrict to any local person to register. If you want to sell anything on Amazon, Flipkart, you can create account and you can post your items.
Yes.
Okay, so whatever you told, everything is already with the Amazon, Flipkart, and other applications. But one
Exactly.
thing that is comparison. Like they are not providing comparison. So, but we can sort we can sort we can do sorting of items on the basis of price. We can do this thing.
Yes.
Okay,
Sir.
so this is also a kind of suggestion, and you must have seen in Amazon they are comparing best three related products. When you will see one product, and when you will scroll in bottom, then you will find they are comparing three products. At least three products they are comparing. Those are most related to that product that you are seeing. Okay,
Okay, so
okay, but they are multinational company. They have developed a very good app. They have all the features, but it doesn't mean like other person cannot develop same thing.
They are not new. So they have,
Yeah.
over
They
years.
are international companies. So yeah, they have many people, thousands of employees. So they have developed a big thing. But
No, this is a very good idea. Actually,
yeah.
Twinkle has presented a good idea. And along with all this thing, one more thing, deliverability. Like a shopkeeper, whether the shopkeeper can deliver the things to the buyer or not, or how it will be done, that should also be taken care. Because the ultimate idea, it is not only shopping, but getting things to at the home, door to door.
Yeah,
Yes,
I think
and your application has many features that you are not able to visualize right now. So you must discuss with some experienced persons. They will tell you what you are not able to think right now.
okay,
Because
sir.
in
Krishna sir
software,
has
there
already
are,
said.
I think that is what precisely I suggested her. Maybe she can get back and then come to us again with revised one. Okay, revised presentation.
yes, sir. And you are computer science MSc student.
Yes, sir. First year.
Okay, so you have many seniors. Those few are good in web application, few are good in Android application. and you may
Yes.
discuss with me. I will associate few people, those can help you.
Yeah,
Okay, sir.
you
Thank
must
you.
contact Dr. Anshul. He is in computer science only. Okay.
Yes.
You
Thank
don't
you,
know
sir.
Dr. Anshul?
Sir?
Dr. Anshul is your faculty. You don't know that?
Sir, I know
Sir,
him. I know he's my
Okay.
faculty.
Then you consult with Dr. Anshul. Okay. Okay then. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Shivangi next.
Yes, sir. The next participant, Parinita Moitra, if you are present.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Parinita.
Yes.
Yes, Parinita, please start with your presentation. You have only 10 minutes.
Okay, okay. Let me share the slides. One second, please.
I think we should look for solutions for this internet speed.
Yes, sir.
With the kind of internet speed that India has, we cannot really do online
Sure, sir,
business.
sure. Shivangi, please collect the presentation from their side and you will present on behalf of them.
Yes,
No,
sir.
I'm not.
Rest
they
of the
will-
participant has sent me the presentation.
Yeah,
Please.
Sir,
like I'm not.
can I send you
Yeah.
in WhatsApp and you can share it?
Absolutely, absolutely. Please share it
Yes,
to
yes.
Shivangi.
Okay, okay. I'm sending it.
By the time we can get to next one, maybe.
Okay, ma'am.
See, they have got ample time. Why she didn't send you before?
Next is Ankit. Ankit, if you are present.
Send it, ma'am. Send it to you.
Yes, I'm present.
Yes, I have
Can I
received.
start?
Receive
Yeah,
and please share it.
Ankit, you try to share your slides. If it is starting, we can go ahead.
Okay, sir. So can I explain it without showing
Parinita,
slide?
please
Please.
present
Yeah,
after.
yeah, please. Ankit can go ahead without slide sharing. Yeah.
You were saying?
So
Yes,
Mitra, you can
Parinita, I was
share.
telling that after Ankit, you have to present.
Yeah, you be there, and Ankit, you can start without sharing.
okay, sir. Thank you, sir. So good afternoon, sir. So my name Ankit hai. I'm from master. I'm doing masters in library and information science from Banaras Hindu University. Sir, my idea was to make a digital library, as already so many digital libraries are there. But my idea was कि the name of the library which I have selected is Mary Library, and इसका basic function होगा is like to perform the online services provide करना but in different way. Like we do not have currently human books in our library in current society. We have a lots of library in our society, but we do not have human books. So we provide human books out there. We provide book readers out there.
What do you mean by human books? Is it hard copy? You mean to say human book?
No, sir. Human books are the people who have knowledge, specific knowledge, and uh, who have specialization in specific subjects.
Okay,
They are humans.
I can be a
That's
human book.
yes, sir. Exactly. You are, sir.
Okay, go ahead. That's interesting.
So, and the next one is next service is book readers. So we have lots of audiobooks, but we still need someone like talking. with whom we can interact with while reading a book. So the second idea was that, and I have included two more things in it. Like I want to make an library which have handwritten documents in it. हम बहुत लोग बहुत सारी चीजें हैंडमेड नोट्स बनाते हैं जो हमारे पास ही रह जाता है, एंड वी क्रिएट, सम ऑफ अस आर सो क्रिएटिव, सो वी क्रिएट कॉमिक्स ऑफ बाय बेयर हैंड्स. तो ये सारी चीजें सर हम लोग पब्लिश नहीं कर पाते, कहीं डाल नहीं पाते, ये सारी चीजें ऐसे ही पड़ी रह जाती हैं, या हम लोग दो चार फ्रेंड सर्कल में शेयर किया एंड जस्ट इट विल बी देयर ओनली. तो हम इसको अगर एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे रख सकें जहाँ पर कि लोग आकर के इसे देख सकें, पढ़ सकें, जान सकें उसके बारे में, तो it will be a different thing for most of the people, and people get the new and different content always. And the third one was sir, fourth one was sir कि बुक शेयरिंग. सर हमने इस बारे में थोड़ा पता किया था कि हम लोग जो बुक यूज कर लेते हैं, हम लोग कोई भी बुक खरीदते हैं, हम लोग उसको यूज करते हैं, बट वी कैन नॉट शेयर इट. अगर हम किसी को देना चाहें तो हम उसे सेल नहीं कर सकते ऑफिशियली. अनऑफिशियली हम लोग करते हैं गार्बेज में वगैरह ना, बट ऑफिशियली सेल नहीं कर सकते. हम लोग उसको सिर्फ फ्री में ही डोनेट कर सकते हैं किसी को. तो इट वाज लाइक कि आप अपने एरिया में, आपको लाइब्रेरी खोजना है, यू जस्ट गो थ्रू द ऐप एंड फाइंड कि किसके पास ये किताब है. जिसके पास किताब है उसने रजिस्टर कर रखा है ऑनलाइन, एंड आपने पता किया किसके पास किताब है. आइदर ही विल बी योर बुक रीडर, और you can go there and ask him for the book, and you can come up with a book, that book with your house, read it and return it.
Yeah, how can you integrate all these things? It's so complex. Like your idea sounds good, but when it comes to the feasibility, how can you really work it out? Like, did you do any pilot? Okay,
No sir, I haven't did
study.
any pilot.
No.
Exactly sir, मतलब frankly sir, बहुत ही recent idea है ये. तो
But
अभी
how
तक
can
इसे मुझे लगा
you
कि
convert that idea into a reality? Because that is important thing, no? At the end,
yes sir.
idea,
Sir,
getting idea is good, but how can you translate that idea into something which is going to be taken up by a large population? Okay, suppose
sir,
you told
it
him
is,
human book, no? So how
yes
can
sir.
you decide which human book you need to pick up? Like obviously, expert human has to be there in that domain. If it is a written handbook which is edited time and again,
Yes sir.
books are all available as a volumes in the library, which can be digitized. Okay, but human book, I don't know how to really create that one. And even if you create, what is the guarantee that the book is available?
So
Human book.
human books are sir people interact, people have
Exactly.
things to
Suppose you
do.
have created me as a human book. Okay.
Yes sir.
Somebody would like to refer me, but I'm engaged with some other subject somewhere else, so I'm not
सर
available.
तो सर इट इज लाइक सिंपल लाइक लाइब्रेरी सर. सर अब जैसे कि आप जाते हो लाइब्रेरी में एंड यू आस्क फॉर अ
Right?
बुक, इफ इट इज नॉट देयर
Yeah.
एंड द लाइब्रेरियन टोल्ड यू, टेल you that after this date the book will return in the library and I will provide it to you. So the my library is doing the same. It will
Yeah.
contact
So
you, we
with
contact
that,
you, and we get it your time, and then we ask for the person that the book is ready in few days and that particular time if you are available and you want that still. So it is
okay.
all
I
services are
think.
simply like library.
Yeah.
Just the things are the different, and the experience and the types of learning are the different in there.
Okay, Ankit, you have your idea is good, and already sir has already given you much feedback and much thought to work on. But my question is very simple, and it is like, why do you need such kind of thing? If I ask, why do you need, or why we need such kind of library? While thinking about already existing things, and even there is lot of information overload, even you can say that whatever is needed, is it
So
available?
just answered half of your question ki information are overloaded.
Hmm.
That is the main reason we need some library, something like that.
Hmm.
In library, in this library actually, sir, we are always doing handling all of the information work with humans. So,
Mhm.
so humans just filter the information for you and provide it as you want it.
Mhm.
So, and sir, especially you do not have to go out of your comfort zone, or while you are working, you need information. You do not have to go
So
through a library and ask
let
for
me,
the book.
let me give the answer of my own question. One of the possible answers
Yeah,
that
please.
that if you interact with people, okay,
Yes, sir.
live interaction. If you interact with people for any question, any query, then there is a two-way interaction, and that two-way interaction is every time or always better than just reading book, and like classroom interaction is better than reading books and getting information from. So that is one which is the important aspect. But as
Yes, sir.
Krishna sir has already uh, told that basically availability of the person, and there are many things, and also the authenticity of that person. And then you are, if you are selecting an expert, then okay, then how that person will be contacted, and up to what extent the availability of the person will be there. There are many questions because you are interacting with a person, not with the book which are already available. You can always see those books and access those books, but not the human being. So that has to be taken care also, thought out.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. For this, I
Yeah,
have thought.
I think any other questions from anyone? Okay, if not, I think we should thank Ankit. A good idea, but you have to like little bit exercise on that, taking a
Sure, sir.
small scale area. Where are you from?
So, Varanasi.
Varanasi. Okay. So if you can work out this project within Varanasi and show us that this is more efficient than the existing offline library system, definitely
Yes,
it
sir.
is a welcome step, no? Because
Okay.
idea is good, but feasibility of idea is still okay. Looks tough to me because you know, if you go to one department, discuss with two professors. Okay, for example, you are in chemistry department talking with two professors who are, say, organic chemistry experts, they may have two different viewpoints also. Okay. So, but when it comes to a textbook, which is a written textbook, or we can digitize it, it can speak only one language. Okay. So that
Yes,
is
sir.
where, like, are you really looking into, okay, a different kind of approach? Like you have a question and you need an answer. So you can connect with, say, mobile library like us, like human library, what you are saying. Okay, you can interact with me, you can interact with a Stanford professor, you can interact with the Harvard professor. So you will get best out of it. Okay. Maybe I think this is what you are looking for, what I think.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if it
Something
is, yeah,
like that.
if it is so, then you should actually do a small pilot study on it. Okay. Considering, say, two libraries or maybe three libraries within this Varanasi city. Library means, again, it's like an online library, I would say.
Okay,
Then you
sir.
just do some pilot project and come up with, okay, with this idea, we can get better, okay, output from the online or human libraries. That is what I understood from your talk. Okay, because
Okay,
in
sir.
this
Okay, sir.
innovation
So,
context, no, we cannot get into a prototype with this idea that you have right now. You need to work a lot to get into a prototype. Okay,
Okay, sir.
thank you. Okay,
Thank you, sir.
yeah. Next,
yes, sir. Next participant is Parinita.
okay,
Parinita, please present.
share her slides. Now you have her slides, right?
Yes, sir. But she is presenting.
But I'm not seeing slides. Yeah,
Is it visible?
no, I think still it is. We could see a layout, but we are not able to see your slide.
Some is not. is it visible?
Yeah, go ahead, please.
Okay, sir. So, I am Parinita Moitra, and I am from BHU Faculty of Commerce. The idea which emerged in my mind is about regarding development of a job-giving application.
I think you should prepare PowerPoint slides for presentation.
I have prepared it. So, ma'am, can you
But-
please share it?
No, I think we are able to see, but why you are actually zooming in and zooming out? Is it a Word or a PowerPoint document?
It's PPT, but
This is
Yes,
MS Word file, sir.
if it is PPT, you cannot do this. Once you share your slide, you cannot
okay,
zoom.
sir. Ma'am,
So
can
that
you
means it is a
share
Word
it?
file. Anyway, what is the title of your presentation? You can just name your title. You can just speak.
Ma'am, can you please share it on your side?
Yes, Parinita, I'll share it. Just turn off your sharing. Stop the sharing.
Okay, I'm stopping the share. It is new, that's why I'm not that
No
much.
problem. But you should learn these things. No, these are now even school kids are now experts in this.
Yes, I have stopped.
Yeah, this is much better. Yeah. What
Ma'am,
is
have
your
you shared
title?
it? So my title is Employees Version.
When you are choosing this, no, you should have a contrast. Your title is in yellow color with a white background. Okay, so
No, sir,
but anyway,
no, sir,
go ahead.
it is of dark blue color, but in this, it's showing this. So in my original PPT, it was of dark blue color. And so my title is Employees Version. In it, the description about the idea was that employees version which create as a link for occupation for those people who are in hunt or search of perfectly suitable job for them. Like usually we can notice that there are already available some mobile applications like LinkedIn, Naukri.com that can perform similar kind of actions, that is linkage between job seekers to job giver, but the employees version somewhere operates differently. Now I'm going to explain how it is different. How employees version is different from other job mobile applications. So in employees version, the user will get more accuracy and relativity in context of information, as because here data will be listed by ex-employee of the company himself. He will provide more detailed and accurate view of the company, that is how is the general environment of the company is the company incurring profit or not, is the company giving extra incentives on work, like now in the COVID period, is the company giving half of the salary or full of the salary or paying nothing, and is the company consider your urgent contingencies, like granting you leaves, urgent leaves or not, is the company giving their employees peer recognition or not, is the company harassment, is the company harassments employee or inhibits a liberal and peace relationship with the same. So the former employee will provide all the important queries which one can't ask during the interviews, or it is not listed in the any job offers given in the LinkedIn or in the Naukri.com. So there will be 100% accuracy as it is said above, and we
Just
all
hold on. One like interesting aspect you are discussing. Are you from BHU?
yes, sir.
Which department?
The Faculty of Commerce.
Commerce. Okay. If I wanted to know the entire information about the commerce department, like
Yes, sir.
whatever you are talking about, can I get entire information?
About this app or
Forget about the BHU. BHU itself is a big organization, right?
okay, sir.
So the details that you are talking about, how can you
Yes, sir.
get all the details and put it in a public domain? Is it possible?
My details in public domains are, oh,
Not your
about
details. You're talking about the company, Malaysia's company. BHU is a one company. It's a public
Okay, sir.
sector. Okay. So
Okay,
do you
sir.
think that all the information about BHU will be put it in a public domain?
Oh,
Is
sir.
it possible?
Sir, now I got your question that you are asking that the ex-employee, how he can publish all the relevant or irrelevant or about all the
Yeah,
more
who knows
information in the
what is,
website.
yeah.
Okay, sir. So,
Not only that, there is also biasness. Each and
Exactly.
every individual has a different experience with the same environment or same
Exactly.
organization. So how you will be able to control this?
each and every sir, but there sir, लेकिन जो वो
For
job position में
for example, if I ask you, Parinita, about the commerce department, you
Yes,
may
sir.
glorify your department, okay? But the other student, if I ask, will have a different version. So
because
which one
I
is
am
correct?
because I am the present मैं प्रेजेंट स्टूडेंट हूँ वहाँ की, मैं फॉर्मर स्टूडेंट नहीं हूँ, लेकिन जब प्रेजेंट स्टूडेंट जो होता है वो हमेशा अच्छा ही बताता है, ग्लोरियस ही बताता है, ताकि उसको
That is
अपने
precisely that is the point. Yeah. Anyway, for first you present, we'll interact with you later.
It is just your hypothesis that present student will give good
You know,
information.
suppose you become a faculty in your commerce department.
Actually, my commerce subject is based on, it is half part of art and half part of science. So there is, we only consider the past experiences and nailed it, and we write it, and then we experiment and we do it again and again, and then see that is it true or is it wrong. So because
Parinita, just listen to me. What I am going to tell you, that you are, whatever you are developing, it will be going into a public domain or a scientific domain. Everybody will be knowing. And whatever you are saying on the basis of commonsensical knowledge. And here common sense does not work. You have to be very, very scientific and very based on your theoretical background and many other things. So what questions
actually researched
sir has
about
raised?
this. Sir,
So it is your thinking, your hypothesis. This will happen. This will people say. This people say this thing. That people will say that thing. This is only hypothesis.
Sorry to interrupt.
What?
Sir, I have
One thing
actually researched.
hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
One thing I wanted to add that this particular idea, daunting idea, because things are dynamic, okay, and the things which were in the past cannot be related to present and future, okay, because if some company is developing, and then the developments which has happened in last 1 year or 2 year might not be there in the for previous employees. So how can their interpretation be logical?
Treated as exceptions. It can be treated as exception. All the companies listed in the app can't be developed at the same time.
I think let her present. Let us listen to her completely. Then we'll interact.
Yes,
The only point I wanted to point of concern is, Parnita, you said no, whether salaries are paid, half paid. Who is going to disclose that? Nobody is going to disclose, no? Like if you go to private company.
He has nothing to do with the company now. If he is an ex-employee of the company, then after leaving the job, he has nothing to do with the company. He is not that much care about that company, that what they will वो क्या सोचेंगे, वो क्यों सोचेंगे, वो मुझे निकाल देंगे.
That is fine. That is fine. Same thing happens. Same thing happens when you finish your degree. Okay, you will talk differently. So how far these things are actually genuine when you
I
put
will
it in a
explain
public domain.
all the things. First, can I?
Anyway, first you finish your talk. Let us
Okay.
talk.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Ma'am, can we have next slide? Ma'am?
Yeah.
Ma'am, can we have next slide?
Yeah, she has moved. You can see that revenue management plan.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Revenue management plan. So we every aspect of the business can run only if there is regularity in the business, if the business is incurring regular profit, and no business, and every business fails if there is no regularity and no profit. So the most important sections in the revenue thing, without a suitable profit margin, there will be no scope for any business or e-commerce marketing to get a float. So step one, first, whenever an employee will leave his job by his own will or by forced pull over the employer, the ex-employee will come to the application and list its company with all the suitable eligibility, description about working condition, and many more things which he himself experienced in his working years with the company. And since he is working in a different job position, so he will state working experiences with the list his working experiences with the app. Then second step will be, when our viewers will search out the suitable job for them from all the listed and 100% verified options, after choosing a perfect option for them, the viewer then tap on the option and view it in the broadcast. Like there are so many, like if we open naukri.com, then there are so many options at first view, and then if we choose them separately, then a broadcast view of that job came out. So in next slide, step 3, after tapping on it, the viewer will come to know about all the situation and expected job salary that the job will inhibit, which will completely accurate because it was given by the company's ex-employee only. So none of the above mentioned important criteria would not be mocked or over-exaggerated or less quantified. There he will also find one more thing, that is ex-employee's number, which will be shown blurred to him. Now, this contact number and Gmail will only become clearly visible to the viewer when he will buy our premium package, which will cost rupees 200 to him. Then, in step 4, after he buys premium package, we will show him ex-employee's contact number and Gmail. Then the client will call him and ask him about the listed job position. The lister will then provide him the contract paper, which will be provided by our application online, on which he have to sign to thumb impression, or he will print out the contract papers and will sign it physically. Now, step 5, in the contract paper, we will distinctively and specifically mention about the figures which the applications and the ex-employee will take as commission. Like, so the job seekers have to give 35% of his first salary as a commission, in which he will separately accord 15% to the application and 20% to the ex-employee. 15% to the application and 20% to the ex-employee. Now, we have the budget, 6th slide.
There is a slide 6. I'm not saying slide movement.
Yeah, it's not happening only.
How many slides are there? You can quickly come to the budget here.
10. Ma'am, 10.
So yeah,
10,
budget.
Yeah, budget. So
now
budget.
We can't see anything by the way slides because contrast is not achieved. Yeah.
Ma'am, can you zoom it?
No, anyway, you tell what is the budget required.
Yeah. Then my budget is for the job employees version. The budget can be accrued that analyze cost. As we know, analyze cost is operating cost. As per the employees version app development, it will be also incurred. They will be also incurring web development cost, and in operating cost there will be the salary of the manager and two more personnel that were the web developer, that were the design developer and content creator. And estimate revenue after 3 months. Estimate revenue after 3 months. Let's say we got 100 listed jobs in the time lag of 3 months, and we get 20 subscribers. That is 20 into 20, like 200. The cost of the subscription, and 200 into 20 is 4,000. And let's say from those 20 subscribers, 15 got their job, and 5 may not interested further. Let's assume that on an average, the collection salary of 15 subscribers are 15 into 50 is equal to 7,50,000. So about 15% of 7,50,000 is equal to rupees 1,12,500 is of companies, and rest 20% is of the job lister, the ex-employee of the company. So total revenue is equal to 4,000 plus 1,12,500 is equal to rupees 1,16,500. Now, if we talk about the gross profit margin for first 3 months, then total expenses would be operating cost, salary of application maintenance, like salary of application maintenance, the app maintenance. We will it would have some maintenance cost. Then it would be we are assuming that it would be 20,000, manager 20,000, and digital content creator 20,000, social networking managers 15,000. Then in total it will be incurred 75,000. For 3 months, operating cost would be 75 into 3, that is 2,25,000. And so investment money that we got from that we have to give is 2 lakh. And then
I think Parinita, hold on. I think we have limited time. You have to summarize.
Okay, sir.
Like,
Okay,
are
sir.
you going to set up a company on your own?
The app which
Or
will
app?
deal with revenue.
So
Yes.
you should confine yourself only to the app. What
Yes,
is
sir.
the prototype of your app and
Okay, sir.
what
Okay, sir.
application it has? Okay.
Actually,
And
it
then-
was having in the Gmail the budget section. That's why I kept it in the broad.
No,
Okay, sir.
suppose to come up with that app, what are your requirements? What you're expecting from this? Only that much you can ask.
Pardon, sir. Can you repeat it?
No, to develop whatever app that you are proposing, what money component that you are expecting from our side, okay, only that you propose actually. What happens after that, all your business projections and all, these are all hypothetical, no?
Yes,
No
sir.
company can give you how much money you are going to earn in next year, okay? Your capex, opex and all, these are all hypothetical, no? We don't
Okay,
know
sir.
whether we can hit or not. So you talk about your application and what are the requirements.
Okay. So here is idea picturization. In idea picturization, suppose ABC is the company and a person coming out from it, he's the ex-employee of the company. He loses his job, and then he will come firstly to our application and to our application, and he will list the list the description of his job. The ex-employee will now list his description, name with all the suitable and effective information. Now the viewer comes to the section of the viewer. The viewer can be both he and she. Now the viewer will come to employees version app in the hunt of job. After selecting a job according to their qualification, they will tap to the job option. Like I have said ahead, this is the mobile job applications. This is the mobile version. Then can we have next slide, ma'am?
So here I think this is where I was really skeptical about, like the employee who comes out of or who is forcefully removed from the company, or maybe who is voluntarily retired, will have
Yes.
different opinions, right, about the company.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And also company would pay individual based on their potential skills. Okay. So somebody may be paid extra perks because of his potential. Other person may be just boosted because of not performing. So if you hear these two guys will have different opinions which you are going to record there. So what are you going to suggest to the new job seekers? Really, is it going to work out? This is where we have some issues.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So if the ex-employee leaves his job at his own will, then we will specifically mention that he leaves his job for this conditions, and it is voluntarily leave. And then the viewer will pursue all the criteria as per his objective and his जैसे वो अपने आप
So
को
you
लेता
mean
है.
to say that you are going to record all the statements that
Yes,
you
sir.
receive,
Yes,
and
sir.
you give a impression about X company, right? How
Yes.
good is or how bad is or how tough it is. Accordingly, the next job seeker would decide whether to apply in
Or
that
not.
company or not. This is what
Yes.
you mean to say, I think, no?
Yes, sir.
So if you
And
can put this information in public domain like that, don't you
Yes,
think
sir.
that those companies would raise objections? Can you really point out about a company?
There's no point to raise objection, because अगर वो raise करेगी objection तो वो उसी पे आएगा, क्योंकि कोई कंपनी अगर अपनी चीजों को ओवर एग्जेजरेट कर रही है, अगर वो मॉड कर रही है,
maybe company will come up with their own version. How do you decide which version is correct? Then we need to go to court. No, you are defaming a company based on 2 to 3 employees. Okay, statements. Could be. I'm not just doubting your thing. These are the practical problems associated with the kind of proposal you are bringing up. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Second one is, what is the innovation component in it?
Innovation
This
component-
entire competition is about innovation and entrepreneurship. No?
Yes, sir.
You need to defend these two things. Already you have taken more time. I think you quickly finish.
Okay, sir. The innovation component is in this idea is that, sir, like we know that LinkedIn and Naukri.com is already there in the Play Store app, and it's only having the two-point view section point of the employer, that is the person who are giving the job. But in the innovative component is that in my this employee's version, there will be the employee who will give the ideation about, who will give his belief, who will give his
Yeah, I
perspective.
think I got the answer from you. Okay. Bhaiya, ab to India mein, you know, people are in queue for jobs. Nobody is going to listen your app if they are in dire need of a job. They will not look for good or bad. They say, even if you pay me 10,000 rupees, I will join from tomorrow or today itself. So that is the situation we are in. Really, is it going to help?
सर इसी को तो चेंज करना है ना.
इसको आप जो कह रहे हैं ना, ये एक्चुअली मॉडल अमेरिका यूरोप कंट्रीज में ओके, दैट इज फाइन, बट इन इंडियन सिनेरियो यू नो पीपल आर इवन आफ्टर डूइंग पीएचडी दे आर कमिंग फॉर डेली वेजर और इवन लेस देन डेली वेजर जॉब्स, so they are not going to really benefit out of this app, I would think. But if you want to change, come and prove it in a pilot study, right?
ओके सर. सर मैं बोल रहा था सर इसी को तो चेंज करना है, क्योंकि एम्प्लॉयज एब्यूजन एक बहुत कॉमन बन गया है इंडिया में, जहाँ पे हर एक छोटे सेक्शन से बड़े सेक्शन में एम्प्लॉय को बहुत अब्यूज किया जा रहा है, उसको कम सैलरी दी जा रही है, कोरोना पीरियड का एक मजाक बना दिया गया है. अगर उनके पास पैसे आ भी रहे हैं लेकिन वो पैसे दे नहीं रहे हैं, वो अपने पास रख दे रहे हैं और बहाना बना रहे हैं कि कोरोना पीरियड है, वी आर गेटिंग लेस सैलरी, वी आर गेटिंग लेस फीस, लेस दिस लेस दैट, एंड वो एम्प्लॉयज को अब्यूज कर रहे हैं. तो सर अगर ये ऐप मेरा, इफ I am not saying that it is a clear version, it does not need any modified version, लेकिन सर अगर इसमें थोड़ा सा और चेंजेस करें, मॉडिफाई करें,
चलिए अच्छा है, that is good. I appreciate your idea, but I think why practically how much it is feasible, we need to really work out a pilot scale project. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Maybe within BHU you can try, if as long as you are here.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Any other questions or any suggestions, or we can just say thanks?
No, sir. It's you have already asked a lot of questions, and I think just a few like suggestions if she wants to take Parinita.
Yeah.
So I am Paritosh Tripathi from Atal Incubation Center, BHU, Parinita. So if you want to take a few suggestions, it's all about. So you're developing this PPT for investor or just for some examination or something?
No, this is actually a competition. Maybe Manish is around. Acha, Manish is not there. I think this is a.
Yes, sir. Yeah, but just asking her, like whether what she considered before creating it. So remember, whenever you talk about you talk about gap and then solution together in one PPT or two PPT and at the beginning, okay. But what I've seen a lot of letters, like nobody interested in letter when you talk about your company or a startup. So sir already made a lot of comments on the same thing. So work on that. At least if you have created one PPT or you have designed some your idea into you should try it at least once. And if you need any help, let us know. We are around the corner of SBI. Okay, and you can come over here and we can discuss about it.
Do you know where is CDC, Atal Incubation Center?
Yes, I know.
Yeah, you go there and Paritosh is the CEO of that AIC. you can get his inputs also, right?
But no question, because you have already answered a lot of questions over there. So I think time is also running out. So
Yeah,
we
yeah.
can start the second one.
Thank you,
Okay, sir. Thank you
Parmita.
so much. Thank you so
Namaskar,
much.
sir. Yes, sir. Namaskar.
नमस्कार, कैसे हैं पारतोष जी?
Yeah, sir. Good.
Good, good.
I was
I
in
think we are
another
not.
meeting, so that's why I couldn't able to join.
Yeah.
So I had to join it late.
Yeah. Today I think I am free. So first half I thought I should attend.
Yes, sir.
Second half I may not be. How many are there? How many Shivangi? How many more like participants are there? Hello, Shivangi is there?
Yes, sir.
How many more
Yes,
are
sir.
there?
So
Like
there
how
are
many? Yeah.
seven people are there, but we have shifted 5 to 6 participants for tomorrow.
That is good. You did nice. I think you can finish rest of the work quickly.
So sir, right now, should I call another participant or should we end for today?
Acha, you have already shifted rest of the participant to tomorrow?
So if you have time, then we can continue.
No,
Otherwise, we
time in the
can.
sense tomorrow how many are there total?
So just let me check.
Like, is it not tomorrow? Is it not going to be overburdened?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 participants for
Okay.
tomorrow.
Maybe what do you think others? Maybe you can ask others also. योगेश जी और परितोष जी 2 और देख लेते हैं.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. If
Sir,
possible, please 1, 2, or maximum 3 people will
Yeah.
see it.
We'll do it. Yeah. Manish ji is back. Okay. I think you call
Yeah, I'm
maybe
here,
2
sir.
to 3 and we'll finish. And tomorrow you can keep
Yeah.
around 6 to 7 participants. Okay.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Sir, next is Ankit. Ankit, if you are here, please
Ankit
present.
already done. This is a different Ankit. One Ankit has already presented.
Okay.
Is
Vikas
it,
Kumar Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Vikas, please present. I have your slide. I'm presenting.
Hello. Hello.
Okay, continue.
Okay, ma'am.
Is it Vikash? Vikash.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
गुड आफ्टरनून सर.
Good
मेरा नाम विकास कुमार पटेल है. आई एम फ्रॉम इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ साइंस, कंप्यूटर साइंस डिपार्टमेंट, बीएससी 3rd ईयर. मेरा आइडिया जो है वो एक यूथ फेस्ट को पूरी तरह से ऑटोमेटिक करने का है. इट मीन्स कि उसके रजिस्ट्रेशन से लेके सर्टिफिकेट जनरेशन तक सब कुछ ऑटोमेट करने का है, ताकि एरर्स को मिनिमाइज किया जा सके और यूज़र एक्सपीरियंस को और बढ़ाया जा सके. सो मैंने जिस इवेंट को चूज़ किया है वो आकांक्षा है. आकांक्षा एक यूथ फेस्टिवल है. ड्यू टू पैंडेमिक 2 साल से ये ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं हो रहा है, नहीं तो हर साल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ साइंस में ये ऑर्गेनाइज होता है. और इसको ऑर्गेनाइज करने के लिए एक आकांक्षा के कोऑर्डिनेटर होते हैं और बाकी सारे सब कुछ स्टूडेंट के कंट्रोल में होता है. स्टूडेंट ही सब कुछ देखते हैं और कोऑर्डिनेटर को रिपोर्ट करते हैं और कोऑर्डिनेटर सारे डिसाइड करते हैं, डिसीजन लेते हैं.
ये सब हम जानते हैं आकांक्षा के बारे में. तो
ओके सर.
ये अगर फेस्टिवल नहीं हुआ तो क्या प्रॉब्लम है वो बता पाएंगे? और लाइक in what way your idea is innovative and how to overcome all those issues?
ओके सर. ओके सर. सो सर मैं ये स्किप कर रहा हूँ एज यू टेल कि आप आकांक्षा के बारे में जानते हैं. तो प्रॉब्लम अभी तक क्या थी आकांक्षा में कि रजिस्ट्रेशन जो होता था यूजर का वो
मेरा क्वेश्चन वेरी स्पेसिफिक है. अगर आकांक्षा प्रोग्राम नहीं कंडक्ट करेंगे यूनिवर्सिटी, ओके, क्या होगा? इज इट गोइंग टू लूज लाइक समथिंग वेरी?
सर जो आकांक्षा है वो एक्चुअली डिपेंड है जो स्पंदन पे, जो BHU का कल्चरल फेस्टिवल है. तो आकांक्षा से जो भी विनिंग पार्टिसिपेंट होते हैं वो स्पंदन के लिए क्वालिफाइड होते हैं, वो सेलेक्टेड होते हैं। तो अगर स्पंदन नहीं हो रहा है तो फिर आकांक्षा को होस्ट करने, आकांक्षा को ऑर्गेनाइज करने का इट मींस जस्ट फॉर एंटरटेनमेंट होगा तब।
अगर स्पंदन ऑल्सो नहीं होल्ड करेंगे तो क्या?
तो फिर सर आकांक्षा को ऑर्गेनाइज करने का मतलब सिर्फ जस्ट फॉर एंटरटेनमेंट।
My question, because why I'm asking, no? See, all these innovation and entrepreneurship programs that are floated in universities or higher institutions is to actually improve our ranks, international ranking, and also maybe ARIA rankings, if you know, and also global innovation index of the country at the global level. Okay. So in what way your innovative idea is going to contribute towards these aspects? That is the main question one should ask before coming up with any proposal.
सर एक्चुअली ये एप्लीकेशन अगर सिर्फ मैंने इसमें और भी फीचर्स ऐड किए हैं जो सिर्फ आकांक्षा को ही मैनेज नहीं करेगा। इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ साइंस में जितने भी डिपार्टमेंट लेवल या फिर इंस्टीट्यूट लेवल पे जो भी इवेंट होते हैं उन सब को मैंने इनमें इनहेरिट करने की कोशिश की है।
चलिए देखते हैं, आगे बढ़िए।
ठीक, तो
हेलो विकास,
यस
एक्चुअली सर ये कहना चाह रहे हैं कि ये एक पर्टिकुलर इवेंट के नाम से तुम ऐप ना बना के तुम इसको इस ऐप का नाम रखते कि कल्चरल इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऐप लाइक दिस। तो ना सिर्फ आकांक्षा, किसी भी एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट में जितने भी कल्चरल प्रोग्राम होते हैं तो इवेंट्स तो सब में सेम ही होते हैं, एक्टिविटीज सब में सेम होती है। पार्टिसिपेंट्स आएंगे, रजिस्ट्रेशन होगा, टीम्स होंगी, विनर होंगे, कंपटीशन होगा, सर्टिफिकेट जनरेट्स होंगे, ज्यूरी मेंबर रजिस्ट्रेशन होगा, वो सब आकांक्षा में भी होता है। तो इंस्टेड ऑफ से गिविंग अ नेम और सेइंग लाइक दैट कि दिस विल बी एप्लीकेबल टू ओनली आकांक्षा, you can say this app will work for every cultural activity or function organized
it could be cultural as well as academic activities. For example, conferences we are organizing, how best we can actually organize the conference.
Yes sir.
So that we can improve the visibility of the university at global level. So in that sense, if you bring, it would be, I think,
because all the events you are simulating in this app, and these events are same for each such type of activities. So instead of giving a particular name, you should say this will work for all academic or cultural activities or functions
of the university.
Think like that.
ओके सर, एक्चुअली फ्यूचर वर्क्स में मैंने इसको इम्प्लीमेंट करने की सोची है।
पहले प्रेजेंट कर लीजिए, फिर हम लोग इंटरेक्ट करेंगे।
ओके सर, तो इसमें क्या होता था, यूजर्स को प्रॉब्लम क्या होती थी कि अगर जैसे कि अगर आज रिजल्ट जनरेट हुआ है, आज रिजल्ट पब्लिश हुआ है, तो फेसबुक पेज पे ही होगा आकांक्षा का जो भी रिजल्ट पोस्ट होते हैं। तो अगर उसको यूज़र के पास आज टाइम नहीं मिला और अगर वो कल देखा तो ऑलरेडी अराउंड 50 इवेंट्स हैं, तो उसके पोस्ट्स के थ्रू रिजल्ट का पोस्ट एक तरह से हिडन हो जाता है, यूज़र को काफ़ी ढूंढना पड़ता है, स्क्रॉलिंग करनी पड़ती है। तो ये सारे प्रॉब्लम्स यूज़र को ऑलरेडी चेक करना पड़ता था, तो ये सारे प्रॉब्लम्स आते थे। अब मैंने इसको सॉर्ट आउट करने की कोशिश की है कि प्रॉब्लम्स क्या थे और सोल्यूशन क्या थे। यूजर्स जनरली क्या करते थे कि वो सिर्फ रजिस्टर कर लेते थे खुद को और इवेंट्स के रूल्स को पढ़ते नहीं थे, जनरली फॉलो नहीं करते थे। तो वो क्या करते थे, आकांक्षा तो वो जीत गए, ज्यूरी टीम ने उन्हें एक वार्निंग दे के ठीक है उनको स्पंदन के लिए प्रिपरेशन के लिए दे दिया। ठीक, अब क्या होता था कि स्पंदन में जब जाते थे तो वहाँ स्ट्रिक्टली मार्किंग होती थी और वो डिस्क्वालीफाइड हो जाते थे क्योंकि उन्होंने इवेंट्स के रूल नहीं पढ़े और बाकी प्रिपरेशन उन्होंने 1 मंथ या 2 मंथ जो भी दिया है वो ऐसे ही किया था अपने अकॉर्डिंग विदाउट एनी रूल्स। और क्या था कि सर्टिफिकेट जनरेशन में प्रॉब्लम आती थी, लाइक ऑफलाइन रजिस्ट्रेशन था तो ऑफलाइन से फिर डाटा कंप्यूटर में जाता था, फिर वहाँ से सर्टिफिकेट जनरेट होता था, तो इसलिए वहाँ पर भी टाइपिंग एरर इशू आते थे। और अपडेट्स के काफ़ी मतलब कि नोटिफिकेशन अपडेट के काफ़ी लैक्स थे यहाँ पे कि कोई इवेंट शिफ्ट हो गया, कहीं कुछ हमें चेंज करना है तो पार्टिसिपेंट को इन्फॉर्म करना है कि लाइक आपका आज नहीं है कल है, या कल इस टाइम पे नहीं है, इस रूम में ऑडिशन है।
चलिए, आई थिंक वी अंडरस्टूड योर आइडिया। ओके, एक्चुअल आप क्या कर रहे हैं ये बताइए, क्योंकि ना when somebody applies for admission, nobody is going to read the entire bulletin. Okay, we face a lot of problems while admission is on. They are not otherwise eligible, but they have gone through the entrance exam and they will now come and find I've got my rank and why I'm not eligible. So that is the precise problem you are talking here also. But what is the solution? What is the way out? You tell.
ये सोल्यूशन सर इसका ये है कि हम एंड्रॉयड एप्लीकेशन डेवलप करना चाहते हैं। सिंस कि एंड्रॉयड एप्लीकेशन में एक बहुत ही यूनिक फीचर है एंड्रॉयड और iOS बेस्ड ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम में कि वहाँ नोटिफिकेशन चैनल्स होते हैं। नोटिफिकेशन चैनल्स मीन्स कि आपको ये दिख रहा होगा, यहाँ पर सारे ये कैटेगराइज नोटिफिकेशंस हैं। मींस कि अगर यूजर को एक दिन में 10 या 20 नोटिफिकेशंस भी मिल रहे हैं मेरे एप्लीकेशन के थ्रू और वो एक नोटिफिकेशन को डिसेबल कर दिया तो बाकी सारे नोटिफिकेशन उसको मिलते रहेंगे। वो एक नोटिफिकेशन सिर्फ डिसेबल रहेगा, जस्ट लाइक कि स्पॉन्सर के नोटिफिकेशन उन्होंने डिसेबल कर दिए तो बाकी उनके काम के नोटिफिकेशन आते रहेंगे। और यही चीज हमें वेब में नहीं मिलता था। वेब एप्लीकेशंस में, वेब में सिर्फ एक पुश नोटिफिकेशन होता है, आप पुश किए नोटिफिकेशन सबको मिल गया।
मान लीजिए आपका कहना है कि दे आर नॉट रीडिंग द रूल्स एंड दे आर नॉट फॉलोइंग द रूल्स। अगर आप नोटिफिकेशन भी दे दें, अगर उसको भी फॉलो नहीं करेंगे, कैसे आप हैंडल?
नो सर, एक्चुअली हम क्या कर रहे हैं कि
नोटिफिकेशन वो ब्लॉक करके रख दिया, ही डजंट वांट टू गो थ्रू।
एक्चुअली अगर यूजर तभी रजिस्ट्रेशन कर पाएगा जब वो सारे रूल्स को मतलब पढ़ के एक्सेप्ट करे। जस्ट लाइक आप टर्म एंड कंडीशन आते हैं तभी आप सॉफ्टवेयर को इंस्टॉल कर पाते हैं, जस्ट लाइक दैट।
ओके, दैट मींस ही हैज टू गो थ्रू ऑल दिस प्रोसीजर एंड देन फाइनली गेट द रजिस्ट्रेशन।
और सर इस एप्लीकेशन में जस्ट लाइक सोशल मीडिया फेसबुक जैसे हमें पोस्ट करने के फीचर देता है, वैसे ही हम इसमें आकांक्षा के जो भी टीम मेंबर्स हैं उनको पोस्ट करने के फीचर्स देंगे और जो भी उससे रिलेटेड पार्टिसिपेंट होंगे, जस्ट लाइक कि डांस का है तो उसको नोटिफिकेशन आएगा कि ये पोस्ट आया है, मे बी ये आपके काम का हो। और ऐसे ही रिजल्ट जनरेशन का, और मतलब कि ये ऐप दोनों तरह से है, यूजर हायरार्की पे बेस्ड है कि एक ही एप्लीकेशन में ओनर और यूजर दोनों इंटरेक्ट हो रहे हैं। ओनर एप्लीकेशन को कंट्रोल कर रहा है कि कब रजिस्ट्रेशन ओपन होगा, कब यूजर अपने डिटेल्स को चेंज कर सकता है, कब नहीं चेंज कर सकता है।
नहीं, इतना रिस्ट्रिक्शंस अगर लगाएंगे, मान लीजिए कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं दिखा पाएंगे उसमें जाने का, मे बी इज इट फॉर ओनली पार्टिसिपेंट्स?
नो सर,
इट्स फॉर एवरीवन, नो? इवन अटेंडीज आल्सो शुड फॉलो, ना?
यस सर। पार्टिसिपेंट्स
कितना टाइम लगेगा कि सारे पढ़ के वो रजिस्टर करके जाने का? इतना इंटरेस्ट आएगा पार्टिसिपेंट एज वेल एज इवन अदरवाइज ऑडियंस में?
मिनिमम सर 1 मिनट।
1 मिनट, ओके।
अगर रजिस्ट्रेशन इनेबल्ड है तो सर्वर के थ्रू, मींस ओनर के थ्रू। और बाकी सब के लिए यूजर अपना खुद से प्रोफाइल मैनेज कर सकता है और यूजर के सारे डेटा को सिक्योर किया हुआ है। मींस कि आकांक्षा के कोई भी टीम मेंबर यूजर के बिना परमिशन के उनके जो बहुत ही सिक्योर डॉक्यूमेंट्स जैसे फोन नंबर हो गए, वो सब वो देख नहीं सकता है, सिर्फ उनके नाम देख सकता है। ऐसा है, अगर यूजर अपना QR कोड के थ्रू परमिशन दे रहा है तभी वो देख सकता है। और ये सर एक्चुअली एप्लीकेशन डेवलपिंग स्टेज में है, मोस्ट प्रोबेबली सब कुछ हो गया है, सिर्फ इसको पब्लिश करना है।
विकास, एक ऑब्जर्वेशन भी आ रहा था इसके पहले।
यस सर।
जब हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे थे तो तुमने कहा था कि मतलब यूजर जो है वो जब तक जैसे सॉफ्टवेयर इंस्टॉल करते हैं तो सारा एग्री करना पड़ता है, यूजर हैज टू go through all the rules and regulations.
Yes sir.
ठीक है, but with this app you cannot ensure whether the the person
Exactly.
has read all the this instructions, वो तो खाली agree कर देगा.
एग्जाम्पल हम लोग वही है ना, टिक मार देते हैं नीचे एस करके विदाउट
एक्चुअली
रीडिंग.
सर आई कैन इम्प्लीमेंट दैट कि यूजर ने एग्री किया है कि नहीं. मीन्स
नहीं,
कि
बात
अगर एक्चुअली
लेकिन
सर एक तो ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है ना, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लाइक कि आपने एग्री किया है तभी आप
ऐसा है ना,
रजिस्ट्रेशन कर पा रहे हैं.
ऐसा है, जहाँ तक मैं अभी समझ पाया हूँ, एक उद्देश्य ये भी है कि पीपल और पार्टिसिपेंट शुड गो थ्रू द रूल एंड रेगुलेशन.
एग्जैक्टली.
ठीक है, जो हाँ गलती नहीं करे और वो करे, लेकिन इसको हम लोग उसमें नहीं टैप कर पा रहे हैं, चेक कर पा रहे हैं, क्योंकि वो तो खाली एग्री कर देगा. एग्री करने का मतलब ये तो है कि रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आपने ले ली, लेकिन ये नहीं है कि यू हैव गॉन थ्रू ऑल द रूल्स, है ना.
Whether the purpose is solving through this app business or not, क्योंकि जिस
basic
मोटो
idea.
से ऐप अपने लेके आ रहे हैं वो मोटो फुलफिल कर रहा है कि नहीं है, वो क्वेश्चन.
आई कैन इम्प्लीमेंट टाइम आउट.
भाई दिस इज सिंपली लाइक दिस नो. आपका लोन चाहिए, बैंक में जाएंगे, बैंकर कहेंगे यहाँ साइन कर लीजिए, आप साइन कर लिए, आपका लोन मिल, है ना, without reading anything you will get the loan. Same thing, you are getting registration here by accepting everything whatever checks you are putting. Okay? तो ये कैसे फिर आपका ओरिजिनल क्वेश्चन को एड्रेस कर, दैट इज द पॉइंट.
हाँ सर, तो मैं वही कह रहा हूँ कि टाइम आउट फीचर्स लगा सकता हूँ मैं कि आप मीन्स कि रूल्स ओपन हुए तो एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम जस्ट लाइक कि 2 मिनट्स के बाद ही एक्सेप्ट हो सकता है.
भाई मैंने ओपन कर दिया है.
हाँ, मिनिमाइज कर सकते हैं, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है कि सारे लोग ऐसे ही कि ओपन करके छोड़ दें.
देखिए भाई, फॉलो करने वाले हमेशा फॉलो करेंगे, नहीं करने वाले नहीं करेंगे. बट इस ऐप के थ्रू हम लोग इवन कुछ परसेंट भी बदलाव लाएंगे, अच्छी बात है. ओके, like, but as I told you in the beginning, no, in what way this is going to contribute towards the upgrading the ranking of the Banaras Hindu University or maybe India global index कैसे बढ़ाएंगे. Okay? So this point is a very important point to be considered while floating any kind of ideas, because this entire exercise of innovation and entrepreneurship through DIC or IICs or MICs is only centered around this point. कोई भी लेके आ रहे हैं, कोई भी proposal लेके आ रहे हैं, ultimately what impact it is going to create at the end, which is beneficial to the system that we are talking about.
एक्चुअली सर इसमें मैं और चेंज करके बता सकता हूँ क्या? कैन आई एक्सप्लेन?
Yeah, but I don't know how much time you would take for that, because you know this competition is all about like floating an idea and coming up with proof of concept within the 10 days or 14 days time period, no, so that we can recommend the best ones to the next level. Again, you know, this is a first phase, no, even if you cross this phase, maybe you'll be losing at next phase. So you need to really address all these points so that you can win the competition at the national level.
सर जैसा आपने बोला था कि यूजर हो सकता है कि मोबाइल ओपन करके फिर रख दे, 2 मिनट बाद फिर से वो एक्सेप्ट कर ले, ठीक. लेकिन अभी जैसे पेंडेमिक में आपने बहुत सारे इंस्टीट्यूट ये फॉलो कर रहे हैं कि एआई के थ्रू अगर आप सामने कैमरे के हैं और एक स्पेसिफिक एंगल पे आपका चेहरा है तो वो उसको डिटेक्ट करके बता देता है कि यूजर की बिहेवियर क्या है. मैं उसको इसमें इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकता हूँ कि यूजर का चेहरा अगर स्क्रीन पर है, जस्ट लाइक आईज अगर उसके स्क्रीन पर है और एप्लीकेशन मिनिमाइज नहीं है, और फिर वो टाइम आउट चलेगा. So in this way user can
say, for example, I can say that my mobile, if I on and applying through your app, I can minimize the app and still I can work, maybe watch the
no
videos.
sir, if you minimize, the timer will pause.
Maybe, I don't know. But anyway, in spite of all this, my main point is your entire exercise should lead to some innovative outcome. Okay. So your point is surrounding roaming around only one thing: how to make your Spandan successful. Okay, or maybe Akanksha successful. So by doing Akanksha or Spandan successful, in what way you are contributing towards the visibility of the university or visibility. For example, your program is such an innovative program, like Akanksha mein aisa performance hai, which is attracting say global audience, है ना? तब यूनिवर्सिटी का नाम आगे बढ़ेंगे. Okay, there is an artist in Banaras University who is unique in his activity. So now abroad से लोग आएंगे सीखने, so that will enhance the ranking. So ऐसा चीजें भी आपको कंसिडर करना चाहिए मेरे ख्याल से इसमें. I don't know how those things can bring into your app, whether this app can be globalized. Okay.
सर ग्लोबलाइज नहीं, यूनिवर्सिटी लेवल पे अभी इस ऐप में फीचर्स हैं. अब
तो
जैसा कि अंशुल
फायदा
सर ने एड्रेस
फायदा
किया
क्या
था कि हाँ, जैसा अंशुल सर ने भी एड्रेस किया कि एप्लीकेशन को ऐसा बनाइए कि सारे कल्चरल फेस्ट के लिए हो जाए.
हाँ,
उसके लिए
वो पॉइंट अंशुल सर जो बोले हैं, that point you should take up, because not only just this cultural event, overall university में क्या क्या activities हो रहे हैं, and whether you can integrate those activities with this app. So, okay, and then say for example academic events होगा, or maybe recruitments हो रहे हैं, या बहुत सारे चीजें हो रहे हैं. Okay, so many events. Yesterday I think Prime Minister visited. That is also an event. Okay. So whether university can use this app as a prime app?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
University can use, sir. Actually, since जब मैंने ये डेवलप करना स्टार्ट किया तो मुझे लगा ये सीजनल ऐप है, मीन्स आकांक्षा 2 महीने में हुआ, उसके बाद ऐप का काम खत्म.
Exactly.
तो मैंने इसमें यही किया कि अदर इवेंट्स इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ साइंस के, अभी तो इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ साइंस के, अभी मैं BHU कर दूंगा. BHU के सारे जो भी एकेडमिक इवेंट, जो भी डिपार्टमेंट से हैं, जो भी आपके क्लब्स बने हुए हैं, उनके पोस्ट को इनहेरिट करे, और जो जो उस क्लब को फॉलो कर रहे हैं उन्हीं को नोटिफिकेशंस जाए.
Yes.
So in this way they will be updated.
Definitely, yeah. I think that would be best way of actually bringing up this app. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So idea is good, but you have to follow those.
Sir, Krishna
yeah.
sir.
Yeah.
This is
कौन है? अच्छा, कल्याण जी, नमस्कार. आगे बढ़िए. जी.
I was listening to Vikas. It is a good idea because let
Yes,
me
sir.
appreciate, at least you thought, as told by Professor Sri Krishna, you should come with innovativeness, and innovativeness comes with some kind of observation, problems you look around. Even it may come from your circumstances, from our own environment. So you have taken a problem from our university. I have a few suggestions. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
You name it University Cultural Event Management App, UCEMPA, या University Cultural Event App, ऐसा कुछ नाम उसका दीजिए. ओके. हेलो.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You talk to other people and you cannot be so large, so broader aspect. बहुत सारे चीजें आप नहीं ले पाएंगे, लेकिन at least you can confine it to University Cultural Event App, UECA, like that, or University Event Management App, UEMA. It can be like that. And you should consult with the different stakeholders, like there would be organizers, there would be students, there would be audience. So 3-4 एंगल को आप देखते हो, इस पे एक डायग्राम बनाइए, एक कंसेप्चुअल मैपिंग होना चाहिए. विकास, am I audible?
Okay, sir.
Hello, Vikas, am I audible?
Say yes, Vikas. You are there.
Yeah. So एक कंसेप्चुअल मैपिंग होना चाहिए, एक डायग्राम की रिप्रेजेंटेशन होना चाहिए, ताकि एक आइडिया हमारा सामने आएगा.
Yes, sir.
वो,
Yes, sir.
हाँ, वो क्लारिटी सामने अभी नहीं आ पा रहा है, तो
Yes, sir.
और उसका एक्चुअलाइजेशन कैसे होगा, उसका मैपिंग क्या होगा, एक डायग्रामेटिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन बनाइए, उसका इनपुट प्रोसेसिंग आउटपुट क्या होगा इसको भी आप दिखाइए, ठीक है। तो तब कुछ मजा इसमें आएगा, अदरवाइज अभी मुझे नहीं लग रहा है इट कैन बी रियली अप्रिशिएबल, बट द आइडिया इज गुड। इतना प्रिपरेशन करके आप आइए, यू टॉक टू कंप्यूटर पीपल, यू टॉक टू कल्चरल पीपल हु आर डूइंग ए कल्चरल एस्पेक्ट्स, वो लोग क्या चाहते हैं। सो इट कैन नॉट बी डन सिंगल हैंडेड, प्लीज हैव स्टेक होल्डर एनालिसिस, दूसरे से बात करिए, हु आर द एंड यूजर्स उसको भी बात करिए, एक डायग्राम बनाइए, एक डायग्राम बनाइए, सुंदर सा डायग्राम बनाए which can reflect the input processing output, then we can think on it. Dr. Sri Krishna, this is my observation.
I think excellent. I would agree with you completely. Rather, second option was good, no? University event app जो भी बोले हैं आपने, instead of confining only to the cultural events, okay? So उसमें I think sub headings में cultural events भी आ जाएंगे और भी आ जाएंगे, okay? But your app is going to expand. It's not like you may start with cultural one, but eventually you can get into other activities also, okay?
At least, Dr. Sahab, at least he could contribute something to the university management system.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Any other suggestions? If not,
I think that's a good enough, sir, from my side as well.
Good enough, na? Okay,
Yes,
thank you. Okay, Vikash, thank you. You can remove your presentation, like unshare your presentation. Shivangi is there?
Okay, sir.
Hello. Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
Shivangi, one more is there, or we can stop at this?
Shivangi?
Yes, sir. There is another participant. Should I call him?
Okay, call, and that is the last one.
Okay.
Thank
Okay.
you.
If everybody agrees, we can go ahead with one more participant.
We can take one more.
Utkarsh.
Yeah,
Utkarsh
one.
Shukla.
Yeah. I think this presentation he has to unshare because.
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Utkarsh, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here. Okay.
Please present.
Ma'am, actually, I'm viewing Vikas' slide at this
Yeah,
moment.
Vikash has to remove his
Yes.
presentation.
Vikas, please stop sharing. Please click on stop sharing.
Sir, I had stopped.
But we can still see something.
Let me leave the meeting.
Yes.
Yeah. Now it has gone. Yes.
Okay, now we are seeing Utkarsh. Okay.
Okay. So my presentation is visible.
Yeah.
Okay. 1 minute, sir. A very good afternoon to all the jury members present here and all the other members, all the other students present here. Sir, my name is Utkarsh Shukla. Currently, I am in my last year from BSc. I'm from BSc Honors, Computer Science Honors. Sir, my idea is as you can see that the name of the idea, or you can say name of a app or anything. Actually, I have not yet finalized it regarding any on which platform I will share, but its name is BHU Local.
It should have been nice if it is BHU Global. Anyway, go ahead.
Okay, sir. So BHU Local, sir. I will explain that why I have given this name.
Okay. Just
Oh, yeah. Sir, this is my project overview. Sir, normally when a student joins BHU, he or she does not have any idea regarding the college culture. What will be the events that will that are being performed here, and what are there are many queries. Like when I joined BHU, I was also having queries that whom should I ask about my career prospects, that what should I do after BSc, what activities should I pursue, what can I pursue in BHU with taking all the academics. So we always seek someone to guide us regarding these queries. But most of the time, students are hesitant in asking as they are new. They do not know anybody. They mostly time we seek seniors. One problem also I faced in my graduation, like when we were switching from second year to third year, we were having we are actually having a project that we have to submit in CS in the sixth semester. But there was no senior, or there was a very less interaction between us and the seniors, because there were very less number of people in CS batch. So we were not knowing what should be the format of the presentation, what should be the project report, what should I do, what will be the ideas for the project. So my project, the problem that I have encountered is this. So like I have said, that what's the solution? So the BHU local is like providing providing students a platform where they can interact with each other as well as their seniors and share thoughts and information. They here students can also share their views regarding any topic, like I just mean to say that we know that we are having ideas, like we are having apps like Facebook and Twitter, and you can say we are having Instagram, we are having LinkedIn also. But I thought that there should be a platform where a student can interact with can interact with their seniors, and I want this app to be more focusing on the BHU alumni and BHU seniors as and students as well. So so there is a slide that why BHU local. So I'm saying I mean, like BHU local. We also created one prototype that we have submitted to the design center. Actually, it was not ready app, but it was just the how it will look like. It was you can say that it was just a uh, sh- uh, it was just screenshots that how BHU local should look like. So it has a very simple interface, and like I have taken one feature from LinkedIn, that we can connect on LinkedIn. We can connect to only that person who has given us the permission to connect to us. So I think that this is the feature that I want to include in this BHU local also, that if any junior wants to connect to his or her senior, he will click on a link like connect, and then if the senior gives his or her consent, then only he can message him. So like this is a slide that we have given what will be the features in the first version or something, you can say, because in the because like we can post anything, we can post any questions regarding course, questions regarding career related queries or anything, or like profile. We users can also manage their profile. Notification settings are there, like if a user wants to connect, then the other person will get notification. Users can send message, get suggestion on their users also get suggestions that whom they can connect, or based on their profile. Like if I'm a BSc graduate, then I can connect to MSc or something like that. And a request, one can request, if the request is accepted, then only we can connect to each other. So what are the benefits? What will be the benefits if this type of app is being developed? Like I think that the hesitation to interact with seniors will get over. They do not have to search many sites. Like when I was in graduation, when I faced these type of difficulties, so I mostly search the net, and actually I searched a lot regarding on many websites, but the relevant answer, that is the difficulty that I was facing, that I was not able to get a relevant answer. So connecting to seniors, like I have said, that connecting to seniors will also help in guiding through the career, and it will be also beneficial for the seniors, that they will be able to connect and organize events, like any event, like most of the time freshers events or any other event related to the academic, they want to convey the message sometimes. So these are some of the challenges, like I have shared. I've also included this, as students should keep their profile updated. If a person is in first year or second year, so he should uh, update his profile if he is promoting to another year. And fake information can also be posted. This is the challenge that we will face, and at this moment I am not able to address this challenge, as I was not able to think of any solution. So this is what next. This is the what next slide, that this is just a brief overview what I will be needing. I actually do not know the exact estimates that what should be there regarding this. So I have just taken the rough estimate. Sir, one more point that I have not mentioned in the slide, but I was just thinking about this. Like, if the pro, if the if we have such app, and we can, if it gets popular, and it is if it is able to solve some of the problems, then we can also include faculty members in this. That will be very grateful, as because most of the queries that are there can be addressed by the professors, as well as they can also correct the fake information that have been published. So thank you, sir. This was my slide.
Okay. Nice. If anybody wants to suggest something, you can.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please, Bharatji. Yeah.
Yes, sir. So there are a lot of apps. Actually, a couple of apps I have seen in IIT-BHU. IIT-BHU students started creating it for football. So they've been looking for few football lovers. They actually looking for people to play around, and they were not getting enough people to fix a match or something. So they have started creating an app. It was not an app, actually. It was some place they have created the group, and all these students actually they use those kind of group. So why see it is happening in ITBH and BH student as well. So I just wanted to know why you want to create app when we have got a lot of other application. You don't have to worry about it. Create a page or something
Exactly.
like local thing, so they can get connected over here. Even senior books, whatever you want, you can connect. You can start talking about it. So just wanted to see the necessity.
Yeah.
Sir,
Can you explain a little bit about it, please?
Yeah, sir. The Sir, actually, this is the problem that I have faced personally, and I have also asked my batchmates regarding this. So I felt that there should be a forum, that because there may be many people, there may be many students who are not interested in a particular sport or something. They are more focused regarding any career related queries. Like, sir, I'm from BSc, but I was focused that in 6 semester what project should I do. But I was in third year, so there were no seniors in our hostel at that moment, and it was a very difficult task to find seniors and
Why don't
connect
you
to them.
why don't you interact with your faculty members? Because
Sir,
seniors may not give you great ideas because they are immediate seniors to you. They are also maybe not experienced that much. Your
sir,
faculty members can give you a right direction, right?
sir, before we are assigned any senior, before we are assigned any mentor or any faculty there regarding our project, so it's a like I said that it's just a query and it's just a you can say, sir, like
Why at all any mentor need to be assigned? First of all faculties are available, in the respective
sir,
departments.
yeah,
You can walk into anyone and you can even talk about your project with n number of faculty.
sir, actually, this is a very good thing regarding BHU. But sir, in our department, sir, just we have to share the ideas. Actually, we were just in need of some ideas. We were not able to figure out that what should be
Which
we develop.
department you belong to in science?
Sir, computer science department, Institute of Science.
Yeah, Anshul is there. I think he can maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah. So have you ever met some faculty member regarding this?
Sir, we have actually I think I have met you and actually Vandana ma'am also regarding this. So I got ideas from you as well. So it was just like जैसे कहते हैं सर कि मन होता है पहले से जानने का चीज़ों को, तो सर उस टाइम पे सर ये होता है कि इट्स लाइक वी नीड सीनियर्स, वी नीड मोर यू कैन से कि सर मतलब पता चल जाता है थोड़ा कि आइडिया कि हाउ विल द वाइवा बी कंडक्टेड.
Mr. Utkarsh,
Okay, so Vandana ma'am or me have denied out that we
No, sir.
didn't take
No, sir. No,
interest
sir.
like this.
No, sir. Actually, you do not have denied anything. You do not have. You have encouraged us, sir. ऐसे आप कैसे कह सकते हैं सर आपने deny कर दिया?
You should interact.
You are saying, na? You are saying like no faculty member taking interest. That's why you are helpless.
No, sir. I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that any faculty member is not helping or anything.
I think
just
no.
want
Most of the times it is the student, like they have an
No,
inhibition.
sir.
Inhibition to go and talk to the faculty members. Otherwise, maybe if not all faculty members, at least some faculty members are always available in every department to guide the students. Not only to guide the student, to guide the younger faculty also. Okay. Because whatever you have just floated today.
No, sir, actually my point was not that any faculty member is denying me for any information or something, but I was just saying that there are not only questions regarding the project ideas, there may be questions regarding many other activities also. For example, where should I join a language course in BHU? Which diploma course should I join? Should I be able to manage or not? Should I join Akanksha team in organizing event or not? So these queries we can discuss.
You have a student advisors put in place in every faculty. Okay. So you can always communicate your things with the student advisors who can suggest you what to do, what not to do. Of course, we are not saying that what you are floating is of no use. It is good, but in what way this is coming under innovation context?
Sir, I want I want a platform that where we can have like alumni network in our BHU. In actually most, I was actually focused on the Institute of Science at that time when I was creating this, when I was having this idea. So I want like there should be any platform where
I think we have a BHU Parivar or something like that. I heard some time ago. Is it not the same platform?
Yeah, sir. This is the same. It is the same platform. So I just want like that type of thing. Actually, I want in an app or you can say on a website.
Creating hundreds of apps will be a problem for us. Like how many apps I would get into, and see, previous speaker also, he was talking about an app, and your topic is also, I think, a part of what he was talking. Okay, entire university cultural events, or maybe entire university events, in which also what you are proposing can be a part of that program. Like you both can talk and maybe figure out and come up with a single app, no? which includes even your demands.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay.
I don't know. I feel that way, but others can express their views.
Yes, sir.
डॉक्टर साहब, कल्याण जी, मैं कुछ ऑब्जर्वेशन मेरा है।
Yeah, please.
मैं कुछ बताना चाहूंगा। वो क्या नाम है? उत्कर्ष।
यस सर।
उत्कर्ष, आपका जो विचार है, जो सोच है, वो बहुत अच्छा है। मैं भी स्टूडेंट एडवाइजर था, तो मुझे पता है बच्चों को बहुत सारे जानकारी नहीं मिलता है। तो and sometimes the teachers do help, no doubt, but sometimes teachers are so busy,
Yes, sir.
actually the students hesitate to approach them.
Yes, sir.
हम
Yes,
लोग
sir. Yes, sir.
हम लोग भी
Yes,
डर
sir.
लगता है टीचर का साथ जाके कैसे बात करें, क्या सोचेंगे। तो ये है, ये आपका जो बात है उसमें सच्चाई है, दम है।
Yes, sir.
लेकिन आप बात कर रहे हैं, बहुत व्यापक चीजें बात कर रहे हैं, बहुत व्यापकता है। आपने सेमिनार का बात कर रहे हैं, प्रोजेक्ट का बात कर रहे हैं, सीनियर का साथ बात करना भी चाहते हैं, तो बहुत सारी चीजें बात कर रहे हैं। मुझे बड़ा एम्बिगुअस लगा। I didn't find a single focused thought on which aspect you are going to work. वो थोड़ा सा मुझे क्लैरिटी नहीं मिला। बहुत सारे चीजें आपने बता दिया। जो नया लड़का आता है, कुछ पता नहीं चलता है, क्या बताना चाहते हैं आप? What is that? So come with a single, just hold on, listen to me. Come
Yes, sir.
with a single focused idea. बहुत सारे आइडिया लेके काम करेंगे तो फंसना स्वाभाविक है, और कोई कॉन्क्रीट आइडिया नहीं मिलेगा। आपका प्रोजेक्ट मैंने देखा, आई डिडंट गॉट एनीथिंग आउट ऑफ इट। एक जो आपका विचार है मुझे अच्छा लगा, कि आप स्टूडेंट को कुछ जानकारी देना चाहते हैं। ऑब्वियसली इंफॉर्मेशन इज टू बी सर्व टू एवरीबॉडी। इंफॉर्मेशन इज ए पावर। आप चाहते हैं इंफॉर्मेशन स्टूडेंट को देने के लिए, क्या इंफॉर्मेशन देंगे? इज इट प्रोजेक्ट? इज इट कॉन्फ्रेंस? Is it how to fill up registration form? Is it you want to know how, what is the fees of admission? What are the courses? What are the subject? Actually आप क्या देना चाहते हैं? बहुत जानकारी चाहिए स्टूडेंट को। एक्चुअली स्टूडेंट को बहुत जानकारी चाहिए। आप क्या देना चाहते हैं उसका ऊपर थोड़ा सा काम करिए। फोकस्ड कंक्रीट आइडिया ऑन सिंगल एस्पेक्ट, वो भी होना चाहिए। सपोज आप, मेरा एक आइडिया होगा, मान लीजिए आप साइंस के विद्यार्थी हैं।
Yes, sir.
आप एक थोड़ा सा MIS कर सकते हैं, मैनेजमेंट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम, खाली साइंस फैकल्टी के लिए। फर्स्ट ईयर में क्या कोर्स होगा, सेकंड ईयर में क्या कोर्स होगा, कितना फीस है, कितना हॉस्टल है, क्या है। हमारा यूनिवर्सिटी आज तक MIS नहीं है। हमारे इतना बड़ा यूनिवर्सिटी है, वी डू नॉट हैव ए मैनेजमेंट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम। ये बहुत
Yes, sir.
नोबल होगा अगर आप छोटा सा काम कर सकते हैं। केवल साइंस फैकल्टी के लिए एक छोटा सा MIS भी कर सकते हैं, मैनेजमेंट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम। एक FAQ, फ्रीक्वेंटली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन, सीधा केवल साइंस के लिए। हु इज द हेड ऑफ बायोटेक्नोलॉजी? सीधा यही क्वेश्चन पूछा, तुरंत आंसर मिल जाएगा। हाउ ही द हेड, व्हाट इज द स्पेशलाइजेशन ऑफ डॉक्टर प्रोफेसर श्री कृष्ण? तुरंत जो पूछेगा तुरंत आ जाएगा। वेयर इज MIS लोकेटेड?
Okay.
हमारा जो MIS कहाँ लोकेटेड है, MIC कहाँ लोकेटेड है? तो बहुत सारी चीजें, एक छोटा सा आइडिया लीजिए, FAQ डेवलप करिए, जस्ट FAQ, फ्रीक्वेंटली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन। इस प्रकार का कुछ ओरिजिनल सोच लीजिए, सो दैट वी कैन रियली कंट्रीब्यूट समथिंग इनोवेटिव। हाँ, BHU लोकल तो ठीक है, आपका मन में कुछ काम करने का इरादा है, इच्छा है, ये मुझे अच्छा लगा। लेकिन बहुत सारा एम्बिगुअस है, क्लैरिटी नहीं है। कुछ क्लैरिटी आइडिया लेके आइए, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, एक दो आइडिया मैंने दिया, इस प्रकार का सोच कुछ लेके आइए। थैंक यू डॉक्टर साहब।
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Any other suggestions? Okay, I think if not, we can maybe thank the speaker. And
Thank you,
then
sir.
we can maybe, yeah, thank you, Utkarsh. Then we can conclude maybe,
Thank you.
Manish ji.
Yes, sir, absolutely right. First of all, again, thanks to all of you. Thanks, Professor Sri Krishna sir. Thanks, Professor Kalyan Gadai sir. Thanks, Dr. Anshul Verma sir, and thanks to Dr. Professor Yogesh Arya sir, and thanks to Dr. Kamlesh Manohar Palankar sir. As a respected jury member for this MIC, Ministry of Education, Innovation Cell, Institutions Innovation Council Design Competition. And thank you, participant, for your valuable time, valuable idea. We will surely incorporate and try to incorporate in proof of concept. I am also thanking to Professor C.V. Rajiv sir and Sri Paritosh Tripathi ji from Atal Incubation Center for their valuable time. And hopefully we will come on a result maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow in any time to the participants who will come in the next parameter for to prepare the proof of concept as early as or not before 25th July 2021. And if anyone can interested to take mentor from all of us, including me also, then they will surely call us or approach to us. Then we will surely appoint or assign one of the mentor from our team member or other supporting team member who is not here right now. And so thank you everyone. Thank you, Professor Krishna sir, for your valuable time.
Thank you.
And
Thank you very much.
Tomorrow we will
Thank you, everyone.
again meet at 12. Thank you.
Yeah,
sir.
sure.
Thank you everyone. Thank you.
I think it is nice exercise.
Thank
I
you,
think,
sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Although it took more time, but
Thank you,
I
sir.
think we have probed enough, I think, to each and every proposal.
Right.
I think which is required. No, we should take out the best out of the best.
Sure. I will share a sheet, Excel sheet or Word file and the presentation to all of you today, maybe within a half an hour. And we will then you will marking on that, and according to that parameter we will do it.
Sure.
And one more thing, Manish,
Sir.
we can from next time if when we invite these projects, we can also add some more instruction like particular rationale and why,
Absolutely.
what is the innovation, some points, some solid points on them also, so that
Absolutely.
the time of
Surely.
probing that will be there.
Sure. I am trying to call Design Innovation Center a project in maybe August or September. Then we will minutely do all the things, and before the circulation, I will surely share with all of you.
Yeah.
Then after that circulation.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Krishna sir.
Bye-bye.
And Manish
Thank
sir.
you. Bye bye. Thank you for joining all.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Sir.
Thank you.